welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you'll find it useful. I thought I could wax my armpits and show you how I'm going to do this. It's a bit gross to actually show you my hair from my armpits, but maybe I won't show you that. I'll just show you how I apply it and how I'm pulling down and removing. That's what I'm going to show you, because that's what you want to know. You don't want to see my hair, and you know, who wants to see that? Not me. I mean, I wouldn't want to see it. Yeah, let's get down to business. First, I'm going to apply some coconut oil, just any oil, olive oil, almond oil, rosehip oil, that's how it's called. Just put it in between your fingers, apply it on your armpits. I'm not gonna show you my hair because it's not lovely and nice. So I'm gonna apply it all over the area I'm going to wax. So you should wear something you don't care about, but I kind of care about this vest, even though, you know, yeah, I rely on my experience. And let's start. So I'm gonna take some wax. You see the wax is quite a good temperature. It's not too hot. With time you will see this. You're gonna look at it and know if it's the right temperature. I do this for years, so I can tell these things. And you fold the wax like that, okay? And you start from down upwards, like that. Like this. You cover everything, and you make sure, okay, let me just put the vest. Wear something that you don't really care about. I'm wearing this because I'm on camera. Otherwise, sometimes I do this even naked. Let me just fold again. You see this motion like that, down upward, and leave it thicker. You're gonna be pulling from up down, so you have to have some, oh my god, I have wax on my finger. It's dry, so it removes easier if it's dry. Okay. So my blinds are completely up, so I can pull all the daylight into the camera, so my neighbors might see me like this. So you keep the skin here, okay? You keep the skin here whilst you drag this down in the opposite direction of the hair growth. So I applied the wax from down upward, like that, covered all the hair, and now I'm gonna pull from up down, okay? Holding my skin like this, you see this hand, the same hand, and grabbing the end of the wax, holding it, and fast, yeah? Okay. There. I don't know if I should show you this. I don't think I should. It's a lot of hair on the wax, basically. If you have wax residue, which you might still have on your skin, but oil applied before on the skin helps for that not to happen, and that's why I do it. But if you do, you take the wax you just pulled from your skin, and you do this, and then that will take away all the wax that you have left over in your skin. If you need to go in again, you go in again on the bits you missed. But if you want, you can go back in, and I think I'm gonna do that just to make sure, because I'm obsessed. I took a tiny bit of wax, and I'm going to apply that again just where I think I need, and do that. Just collect all the wax so it doesn't drip. Yeah, I think that's fine now. I'm just patting it like that, again holding the skin, okay? And then pull, and it's almost nothing there, and you turn it around and you pat to collect all the remaining wax if there's any on your skin. So this is done. It looks fantastically nice, and I won't show you the other one because you don't want to see. And you can even immediately put coconut oil on, or whatever oil you used previously, or you can put baby powder, but I prefer coconut oil, because it's, especially coconut oil, because it's antifungic, antimicrobial, and you can just scrape with your nail like that all the remaining wax. The oil helps for that to happen. Now I'm gonna continue on the other side. That's the motion you want to go from down upward. Put that spatula back in the box, and then you let it dry by stretching the skin a bit, and you can still blow. It's not the most flattering. it gets the job done. Pushing the wax into the skin to make sure all the hair bits are dragged. My neighbors are seeing all of this, I think. Whoever might watch, I mean, not that anyone would be interested to stay watching me, but if they happen to look out the window, they might see me doing this next to the window. Okay, now I'm gonna pull. I'm gonna keep the skin again and pull down. My God, it hurt a bit. I won't show you the hair because you don't really want to see. It's a lot of hair on my wax, and I'm going to pat so I can collect. After I folded this, I'm gonna pat on my skin to collect all the remaining wax and throw this away. It's very smooth, but I feel like I can still feel a bit of hair in the center here. I don't know if you can see it on camera. I hope you are not seeing that on camera. If you do, I apologize. And let's take the wax again, fold it here. You can see what I'm doing. And again, carefully applying it where you need it. Down, up, up, up. I need it there, so I'm really pressing into the wax so I can make sure it grabs the hair. Just gonna do this, so protecting my vest and waiting for it to dry again. My arm hurts a bit. Luckily it doesn't last long. Again, you hold, because it's ready to be pulled away. You hold the skin and you pull down. Oops. Yeah, I took the remaining hair here. So that worked brilliantly. That's really soft now, so I don't feel any more hair, and I do not have exactly what I wanted to say. I do not have leftover wax on my skin, but I did have a tiny bit. Putting some coconut oil on my skin. It's really, really nice and lovely now, and I'm very, very happy. That's it. That's how I do it. It's really easy, and this machine and this wax helps me tremendously. I hope this video will help you. I hope it will clarify some things if you didn't think this would be easy. I hope it seems easy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would really help me to know you found it helpful. And please don't forget to subscribe. Click that button and subscribe, because like that you'll be notified each time I post some other videos that hopefully might be of help to you. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.